It's okay right here. It's okay right here. It's okay right. It's okay right here. It's okay right. Okay right here. It's okay right. It's okay right here. It's okay right. Okay right here. It's okay right. It's okay right. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. It's okay right. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay right.
Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm catching up on little parts with the glasses for them, and I don't know if this is a good angle. I don't think this is a good angle, but let me change it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You already know it's your girl Alyssa. It's a new day, a new vlog. We're here today. We're supposed to be going downtown, and we have a whole lots of errands to run today. As usual, I always bring you guys on my errand run. I'm gonna go to Starbucks as well, so let's go.
Come here, rude boy, boy, you should big enough. Take it, yeah, baby, baby, yeah. Take it, love it, love it. Tonight I'ma let you be the captain. Tonight I'ma let you do your thing, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be a rider. Giddy up, baby. Tonight I'ma let it be fire. Tonight I'ma let you take me higher. Tonight, baby, we could get it on, yeah. We could get it on, yeah. Do you like it, boy? I want, what you want. Give it to me, baby, like boom, boom, boom. What I want is what you want, nah, nah. Boy, I want, what you want. Give it to me, baby, like boom, boom, boom. What I want is what you
I just finished shopping downtown. We're still downtown, but I just want to show you guys what I got. So, first thing first. And see, normally when you could have walked with $5 a town and get enough things, you can't do that no more. But anyways, I buy this a little regular slippers for work. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, regular slippers for work, and then I buy this. Now the woman never often sell it for so much money, you know, but I just true me didn't want it. Why I buy it? Them little tights here, what have the pockets at the side. I've been a look for this from long time. That size here a large. This is a large, and that one here is a small. I like how the large one look, and this have the pocket at the side. So she did have some shorts one, or she sell for $1,000 too. But I never want the shorts one. Them I like the long pants one. Them I buy too. Yep. So that's it. I'm not sure where I'm heading to now, but you guys will see.
Come here, rude boy, can you get it up? Come here, rude boy, you should big enough. Take it, yeah, baby, take it, love it, love it. Come here, rude boy, can you get it up? Come here, rude boy, you should big enough. Take it, yeah, baby, take it, love it, love it. Would you believe me? Said I'm in love, baby.
Alright guys, so I'm at Megamart. I'm about to go in and buy a wine, see if we can get some wine, and something else. Y'all will see what I get, so let's go. Got a little kitty. Guys, as I'm coming in, I look on this because I take these, I drink coffee at work every morning, and I put this in there because it makes it taste better for me. So I'm gonna pick up one, but I only like the marshmallow. I don't like the rest. I'm contemplating about buying this one or the boxes has 5 times more marshmallows, so it's more expensive. This one is just regular and it's 9. Guys, I shouldn't even be in here. I just came in here to get a cheap wine, but this is my favorite wine of all. Alright guys, I just got done at Megamart and I think I'm going to Tutti Frutti with my sister right now. So yeah, let's go guys. Hey guys, so we're just starting. I already are something because people out. Oh yeah, it's summer. It's summer for the kids. We're on the start. When you can just walk. When you need to like walk fast. So yeah guys, I don't know if I mentioned it before, but we're at Emancipation Park and we're on the tracks and we're going to make I think about 10 laps I want to try for because we're early now. What time is it? 9:47, and as you see when we come we'll have to rush and go and leave, but no, it's after 9, so we're not have to rush, so we're gonna try for 10 laps today. Guys, I forgot to show y'all that there was a new bird shack on Red Hills Road and I haven't tried it as yet. I hope I can get to try it in the week and show you guys and tell you guys what I think.